Hey coders, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. I've been on leave since on Monday, and today I decided let me do a video because I'm getting bored. So today I'll be going to the dentist and then maybe to the mall, and then when I come back I want to do a code with me. I want to create like a web app where you can where you get a list of all the universities, all the information, their prospectus, when you can apply, when it closes, and maybe it even calculates your APS score. So when I come back, that's what we'll do. Hopefully, please keep on watching and do enjoy. Oh, I'm going to the dentist because my wisdom tooth is facing that way instead of up. It's been bothering me for years, and I think in 2018 when I went to a dentist, I was like, I want to take it out. They were like, no, that'll mean we'll have to take the tooth before it's out, and then the wisdom tooth, and then these ones will get long and it will affect you. But I'm tired now. Food gets stuck here because it's facing that way, and I always have to use a toothpick afterwards, and yeah, it's just, I can't deal anymore. So I'm going to the dentist for that. Okay, so I'm heading to the dentist. I'm pretty early, but my hair looks like a mess, but I don't care at this point. I'm just over this pixie cut. I just hope a hairdresser will say they can now braid my hair. But yeah, so I said I'll be doing a video on code along with me, but I don't know if that would be possible when I remove my wisdom tooth, because I won't be able to speak. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. Right now we're gonna go to the garage so that I can pour some petrol, and yeah, I'll see later if I can do the code along, or maybe I won't talk in the code along. And then another thing is, I was thinking of doing a video about interviews, how to tackle interviews, the type of interviews that you might get, because after my internship at ABSA, whoops, see that out there. After I did my internship at ABSA, I did get a couple of interviews, and there were different interviews, and with ABSA it was a social interview, but the rest I would get technical interviews where it's an oral technical interview, and then some I'd get like assessments, with some I'd get assessments, and then yeah, so I think I'll be doing a video about that. So you guys just know the questions that you might expect, and the tips and tricks to actually ace those interviews. So yeah. Sawona njani? Ngiyaphila, ngicela ungifakele i95 unleaded ye200 i-cut. My mom was cleaning up her room, and then she gave me a bag that I used to use when I was in my second year. So it had my scripts, it had a recommendation letter that I once asked from my yes. Anyway, so it had a recommendation letter that I asked from my physics lecturer. I was a student assistant at the Faculty of Education, and I wanted to apply to be a mathematics tutor. So I went to him to write a recommendation letter, and he wrote the recommendation letter, so I'll put it here. I was still using my dad's surname. starts, I'll be able to just focus on my work and my school and my schoolwork. You know, I won't have to worry about other things moving. There are some things that I need to buy, secondly. So that's another thing that was on my mind. And yeah, man. So I'm literally an hour early. 1 hour. I hope they'll attend to me and I don't have to wait the entire hour. Okay, so I'm back. Let me just put my earrings on. So good news is I'll be able to do the code along video with me because they didn't take out my wisdom tooth. I have to plan with the specialist. I'm gonna show you guys what I was talking about. So I need to book another day to see. I look so crusty. Please don't mind the crust. Oh my gosh. But I did clean my teeth, so happy with that. Why did they close this? Oh my gosh. So I got a referral letter to see a specialist because the dentist won't be able to do it. So this is what I was talking about. If you can see, this is what I want to remove. Anyway, so I need to book another day, and the only day I have available is tomorrow or in December. I'm heading to the mall. My grandmother asked me to get her something, so I'll be doing that, and then going to buy a belt because what, spring is coming and I'm gonna be in my corporate baddie era. I won't be wearing clothes that are, you know, in winter I wear clothes like ngipar. So I just got a cap because my hair is a freaking mess. It is a freaking mess. Not better, but it's better than what it was. I'm going to get something to eat because I'm so damn hungry. So I went to buy a cap because, like I said, okay, who's this? I went to buy a cap because my hair was a mess. It was embarrassing. And I also got some pizza. Okay, I just got home and my sheet package just got here. So don't mind me, I'm in bed while I'm checking out this Framer AI thingy website where you can create your websites by just telling it what you want it to do, and then you can publish it. And yeah, so that idea, I'm not gonna code it, just gonna put it in here and let it do the website for me, and then yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't think I'll show you everything, I'll just show you how to start, and then I'll put the link to the website and then you can check it out when I've published it. Okay, also don't judge me, I'm quite lazy, so I'm typing when I'm on my bed. I don't want to sit on a chair. So here's the clear view of the website. It's framer.ai. You can create your websites, and it caters for tablets and also a mobile. So yeah, this is not paid sponsorship, but it's a cool tool to use. I'll be using it for the first time. Okay, so I don't have a screen recorder, hence I'm using my phone to take a video of the screen. So yeah, that's what I wrote for the website that I wanted. That it needs to have a calculator, it should have universities, and it's a great platform to find all the information for universities there. So there it has created Unifinder, It's actually pretty cool. On the side there are palettes, you can change the themes. It's pretty dope. I have a problem with it. I just typed a calculator to have a calculator on the side, but it's actually writing about a calculator, not giving me a calculator. So I guess it's something that I should do on my own. I'll just download everything, and then maybe on the next video I'll show you how I added my features to this website. But I like it. I'm not sure about the theme. I'll be playing around with it more because I don't really like the colors, but so far this is what I have. Yeah, so I'll end the video here. I'll be doing another video to show you how far I'm with this. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and see you on the next one. Bye.